So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Fivem not opening in your computer and how to fix this. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is press Windows plus R on your keyboard and then search for percentage add beta percentage and then click on OK. Now here just click on this add beta button and then click on local button. Here you'll find a folder Fivem. Just open the Fivem folder and then click on Fivem application data. Double click on it. Now here you'll find citizenfx.ini. Right click on it and then click on edit. Now here you'll find these two lines. You have to delete this second line, update channel equals to canary. Just delete this line and then close this and save this and then restart your PC. After restarting your PC, check if your problem solves, and hopefully your problem solved. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.